Hello and welcome to my vlog. What does a vegan eat for lunch? You might ask. Fucking a bunch of grass.
All good, all good.
Because I'm just going crazy. Okay, so this was a crazy few months. I don't even know what is going to be in this vlog or how we're going to do it, but yeah, there was a lot of laughs. There was a lot of busyness. Just a lot, and it's now coming December and I want to share what we've been up to in the past couple of months with you. Now, granted, I haven't vlogged much, so it might be a bit patchy, but you know, bear with me because I think it'll be fun to watch. So, let's go. Enjoying the house party, babe.
Oh gee, I'm a bit, we're looking at cool techno.
Yeah, we're just vibing to this music, getting down to it, like, you know, what all the kids do. Let's have a pan around and see. So there's Nicole there, and there's the guys, Dean. Our glasses. I got a cappuccino, face mask, Tara. Face mask arrived from April Milan. Oh, the address, let it out. Just today. Beautiful. I'm taking for a dog for a walk because, you know, you just need to get out of the house sometimes and just get some fresh air. Well, I need some fresh air because I'm just going crazy. But yeah, lockdown. Beautiful you. I know. Welcome home, Tara. That's actually so like picturesque. Oh, we have this one here as well. She wasn't getting any attention. Come on, run. Do you have any words, Tara?
Huh?
Do you have any words?
Breathless. Speechless.
Tara done the hill start.
Yeah, I did it. Of course, I stopped recording when I got it.
Yeah,
See,
she got it, and it was
pressure.
perfect the next time she done it. Like, there was no even like stutter, it was smooth. Oh, where you turned? Fucking a bunch of grass.
All good, all good. It's so dark, like.
Isn't it? Like, all you can hear is their voices. Where are we? I don't know. Are you excited to drive home?
I'm not driving home.
Tara, that was the deal.
Yeah, but James, that was before you saw, like...
No, Tara, okay, we'll do a few more laps and then... Oh. Okay, this is a hill start, Tara. This is very... The reaction! Okay. So we survived. Tara drove home on the main road, and now we're having a glass of wine to celebrate. Cheers! Hey guys, so I only realised there like how busy I am. Like, I was just at Ruth's there because she's doing up her utility room, so I was helping with that. And now I'm on my way into work to work on some more kitchen designs. It's great. I can't wait to show you some of the kitchens I've done though. Like, guys, they're so nice. I'm so like lucky and blessed to be able to do them. So I'm excited to share them with you. I probably won't vlog in work because I mean I'd be so busy in work that I don't even have time to think. Hello, good morning. So how are you today? I mean, just ignore the tired look on my face. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. So as I'm a terrible vlogger, I don't know how to vlog. Yesterday I brought my dog for a walk on the beach, and then I came back and did a little painting because I'm just so artistic. And then went over to Dad's, and then what else did I do yesterday? I edited a thumbnail, got my video ready for today, which is up now. So actually that's what I was going to show you, like how I do, like, you know, my Instagram posts and everything for it. So if you have never heard of it, oh god, sorry. If you've never heard of an app called Unfold, that's what I use. So you can get all these like different kind of templates, which are amazing. Like, there's so many and they're always adding new ones all the time, which is just like great. So I normally used to use this one for my videos. So I have like 3 different columns. So I do like a clip of the video in the top one, the thumbnail, and then new video, link in bio or swipe up. And then that's kind of what it looks like then, because it gives you a preview. Because this is how you do it. I I love this. Like, I love this. You know what's the thing that Coco Chanel has? Hello. Yeah, so that's how I do it. And then I just save to device. I'm just check if I've saved this one already. Oopsies. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's fine. So I do it for Snapchat and Instagram because I'm just everywhere. Now, I mean, then I normally tag the person I've reacted to in it, or like if I've done a fashion haul, I'll tag like Zara or someone in it for the hopes that maybe they'll see it and they'll be like, thank you for trying on our clothes. And hey, let me send you a few free items. And I'll be like, yes, thank you. I'll take them. So at the moment, I'm just going to make myself a coffee because I need a coffee. Look at this cute one I got in Tesco. It's like green and has gold. And you already know green is my favourite colour. The weather isn't great now today, guys, not gonna lie. It was gorgeous yesterday, like it was so sunny. It was like, it wasn't cold, but there was like a crisp in the air. Very autumnal vibes. And then today is just raining, which isn't ideal. Okay guys, so now I'm making myself some lunch. Ooh, woo. What does a vegan eat for lunch? You might ask. I'm gonna make myself some tomato soup because it's like autumn time and like my favorite type of soup. And it's the easiest way to get like just loads of veg in because hello, we need to keep our skin looking, well, improving. And also with COVID and everything, I'm just trying to keep my immune system high so that I don't get it. Or if I, God forbid I do, I'll be able to handle it. So that's what we're doing. So I've just chopped the onions. It doesn't have to be like chopped, like, you know, aesthetically. It just has to be chopped because it's all going to be blended up anyway. And then I have a courgette, a yellow pepper because Dean ate my red ones, so the yellow one's left, and some celery. And then I also have over there, you can see it, the tomatoes and coconut milk, because I find it just tastes a lot better when you add in coconut milk. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, here's my soup. It's done and it's delicious. Okay, so I'm just back from filming the next room transpiration I done and my hair's a mess. And now we're going to bring the dog for a walk on the beach. I changed my outfit quickly just because, you know, the previous outfit it wasn't really beach appropriate, so yeah. Okay, so I just finished filming a video. I mean, it's not fully finished yet because it's, you'll see when it's up, it's like decorating and building a house in The Sims, and it takes a long time to build and decorate a house in The Sims, so I might have to film over a couple of days. Okay, and that's them done. I must say they look delicious. Okay, so I'll show you what I got in town. Okay, so I got a super green salad. It's just like a few little kind of things that will be good for lunch. It's really nice. It has like nuts in it, which is really interesting, and these like little things. Don't know how they are, but they taste really nice. Then I got these sriracha tortillas. Maybe I should come in a bit lower. These are really nice. If you've never had them, you should definitely try them. I got sourdough cob. It's like sourdough bread, but like I think it's shaped like a something. What does cob mean? Anyway, it's lovely. Then peanut butter, smooth because I don't like the crunchy one. Pink lady apples. Okay, I had to look twice because I didn't know if I got the right ones or not, but I did. These are my favourite apples, so I have to get them as well. Then I got 2 barbecue jackfruit burgers because I just thought how it sounded like delicious, so I picked 2 of them up. Well, there's 2 of them in the packet. Then I got sun-dried tomato pasta sauce. Okay, no, it's gonna say most of them. Yeah, it's fine. I got 2 peppers, sweet pointed peppers, because they're nice, and hummus, and that's it. Oh, actually, sorry. Also got these strawberry sweets. They're vegan, they're in Aldi, and they're delicious. Now, I mean, they do have like a kind of tingly kind of sensation on the tongue, but they're still very tasty. They still look like they're really delicious. Hi. So I just wanted to come on here and show you my outfit of the night. We're going for a couple of drinks because, you know, there's a lot to celebrate right now. I made a massive sale the last day, a massive project that's getting done next year. It's such a detailed design and project that it's worth the money. So let me just show you my outfit. So I'm wearing my leather overshirt that I got, this one here. It's really nice. I mean, I was kind of a bit is it too oversized? But like, I do kind of like it. And then I'm wearing my brown kind of suit dress that I got. Turns out I didn't need to tailor it on because the fit that they came in is just like perfect. Like it's a straight leg, but it's not going out at the bottom. It kind of goes in and tapers, which is nice. And I would like to ideally take them down a bit, but that's like neither here nor there. So like, I mean, they still work. And then just a black turtleneck. Just how I thought Servy looks from this angle here as well. Bap, bap, boop. I mean, no outfit is complete without the correct accessories. So, oh, what do I want to wear tonight actually? I didn't even really think about it, to be honest. I just normally go for the same thing all the time. No, I think I'll go with my thicker one this evening. Just for the evening that's in it. Yeah, I get so nervous like opening these up because I'm always scared they're going to break. But I mean, they obviously won't break because they're built to last. So I'm going to wear this one here. So, you know, it's a bit more blingier than my day-to-day one. And I like it, so here we go. I don't wear rings, so I won't be wearing rings. I mean, I'd like to get into rings, but I just lose them, and any cheap ones I get, they get ruined like straight away because they're cheap and they change colour. Maybe if I make loads of money and money isn't an issue for me, then I won't mind losing expensive ones. But yeah, see you later.